Hello guys, welcome to another unboxing. So this time it's the PoE hat from Waveshare for the Raspberry Pi. This is the invoice, and there is one small case also for fitting the Raspberry Pi in. So this is the Waveshare PoE hat. Okay, let's open this one. It's a very small and lightweight PoE hat, but it does interfere with the heat sinks. If this is your GPIO pin, here sits your CPU, okay, and then this portion, this is supposedly going over the RAM chip and one other controller, Ethernet controller microchip. So this is going to block the heat sink. This is going to collide with the heat sink, interfere with it. Yeah. So this is the PoE hat, and this is a acrylic case for Raspberry Pi 4. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day.